Akala mo madali ang sanitation at plumbing design. Kaya mo ba? Hello reviewees and JCB viewers. This 15-question drill tests your active recall. You have exactly 5 seconds per question to select the correct answer, simulating the time pressure of the board exam. Question 1. What specific factor causes trap seal loss in unused floor drains subjected to extreme temperatures? The answer is evaporation. According to the reference material, this is a minor problem typically seen in floor drains that aren't used regularly, such as in model units or empty subdivisions. Question 2. In cast iron soil pipe classification, what does the SV designation stand for? It stands for service or standard weight. This is the most common material used for general building installations above ground. Quickfire round. Question 3. Waste from a kitchen sink. Gray water. Question 4. A pipe not connected directly to the drainage system. Indirect waste. Question 5. The vertical distance from a fixture outlet to the trap weir. The tailpiece. These baseline definitions are the foundation. You must recall them instantly to have enough time for the complex table-based problems in the next act. The next set of questions shifts from basic vocabulary to specific table values. Accuracy here depends entirely on identifying which column applies to your specific installation scenario. Question 6. What is the maximum drainage fixture unit, or DFU, loading for a 51 mm vertical drainage pipe? The answer is 16. If you look at Table 7.5, a 51 mm pipe can handle 16 units if it's vertical, but only 8 units if the same pipe is run horizontally. Question 7. How many lavatories are required for an assembly place serving 150 males? According to the fixture requirement table, male assembly halls require 1 lavatory for every 40 persons. Dividing 150 by 40 gives us 3.75. Because you cannot install a partial fixture, you must provide 4 lavatories to meet the code minimum. Question 8. What is the minimum allowable slope for a horizontal drainage pipe with a diameter of 102 millimeters? Answer: 1%. Question 9. A slip joint is used in fixture drains and traps. Which 3 components are required to create this joint? As shown in the diagram, a slip joint requires a compression nut, a compression washer, and a friction ring to function properly. Question 10. How many liters are in 1 U.S. gallon? Answer: 3.785. Identifying these components is critical for troubleshooting on site. Forgetting a single friction ring or washer in a slip joint often results in a failed pressure test during inspection. Keep your momentum. We're in the final 5. Question 11. What is the term for a disease that is constantly present in a particular population? Answer: endemic. Question 12. In plumbing physics, what is the vertical height of a water column that produces 1 psi of pressure? It is 2.31 feet. This conversion factor allows you to determine the static pressure available at any point in a building's water distribution system. Rapid fire to finish. Question 13. Color for non-potable water? Purple. Question 14. Minimum size of a house drain? 4 inches. Question 15. The plumbing material ABS stands for acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. You've completed the drill. If you struggled with the 5-second limit, use this summary to focus your study sessions on the specific values you missed. Screenshot this cheat sheet now. These are 15 of the most high-frequency concepts found in the Master Plumbing Reference. Building speed and accuracy through these timed sessions helps bridge the gap between knowing the code and applying it under pressure. Thank you, reviewees and JCB viewers. See you in the next lesson.